Sleeplace T3000 steel slat bed frame is back with extra height. We have added 4 inches, which makes the height 18 inches. 18 inches high profile allows you to make full use of underbed storage. And forget the box springs. It is just the right height for everyone, easy assembly, yet strong bed frame. Forget the weak squeaking wood slats as well, offering the best just for you. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Sturdy steel slats can support the heavier deluxe mattress. No worries about the slats breaking down. Number 2. 18 inches tall bed frame, more underbed storage and box spring free. Number 3. Dimensions. Outer inner, 85.5 long by 73.5 wide by 18 high inches. Number 4. Ultimate strength and durability, unique steel slat structure and noise-free construction with reinforced leg structure. Number 5. Easy assembly. The frame is delivered packed in a box straight to your front door. Number 6. User weight capacity, 500 pounds. Number 7. Modern innovation. This modern and easy-to-assemble system provides you with reliable, convenient bedding support. Number 8. Large storage space. 16.5 inches of sufficient space underneath the bed frame provides storage for your stuff. Number 9. Solid and strong. Strong steel plate and steel frame structure have excellent strength and durability, providing stronger support for any mattress. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.